Hi, I'm Byron Ross and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am the Mac Ross King. Today I will be instructing you or teaching you how to track your macronutrients using my favorite app, the MyFitnessPal app, so we can build a lifestyle and get rid of the diet mentality. So first you want to go into your app store, punch in MyFitnessPal. You'll see it already pops up because I've already been tracking and using the app. We'll hit open and it takes you to my dashboard and my diary here. So I have foods already tracked. If I go into the app, I can see the foods that I've tracked recently because it keeps a log of that. So we'll keep it simple. We'll hit oatmeal. Now it'll tell you exactly the serving size of the oatmeal that you're consuming or using and the number of servings that I've previously used. So we're going to change that to 1 serving of oatmeal. We'll hit the check mark. We'll get out of here, go back, and then that shows up right here on my diary showing exactly what I've entered. If I touch that, it'll tell me exactly how many grams of carbs, fat, and protein are in that 1 serving, which is 40 grams of oatmeal. So next I'm going to demonstrate how to track some oatmeal that I have here. Scan the barcode by using the app, which will then bring you to the nutrition label to let you know exactly what you're consuming and what's in the oatmeal. So we're going to hit add a food. You see there's scan a barcode. We'll scan the barcode. It'll come up with the exact macronutrients of the oatmeal that's listed here, as well as matching what's on the back of the oatmeal. So we just scanned the barcode that was on the back of this oatmeal. It went into the app, it's tracked. So it will show you what we yielded from scanning that barcode in a serving of oatmeal, which is 40 grams, 27 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, and 4 grams of fiber. So now that we've scanned the barcode, we've entered the food, we checked to make sure that the macronutrients add up to what's on the back of the nutrition label of the oatmeal. If you scroll down, you'll hit nutrition. That will bring you up to the nutrients screen, and it will automatically deduct from your daily caloric budget what we just entered. So those 27 grams of carbohydrates are deducted from my 196 grams of carbs. It shows me what exactly I have left. Those 5 grams of protein are deducted from my 193 grams, which is my current goal. And that gives me left with 188, as well as the fat and then the added fiber. Now that I've shown you how to scan a barcode, enter the food properly, and track your macronutrients, and understand how you can deduct that from your macronutrient budget, let's talk about making a complete meal. So with the oatmeal, we had carbs, a little bit of protein, and some fat as well. You want to complete that meal by adding more protein to that, and I'll show you how to track multiple items, enter it properly so you can set yourself up for success and stay on track for the day. So if you look on the back, you'll see the nutrition label. This protein shake will give you 30 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fat, and 2 grams of fiber, yielding you 160 calories. The barcode can be scanned as well. So now we'll scan the barcode. So in the app, I'll hit add a food once again, hit scan a barcode. I will scan that barcode, and that comes up showing that I've tracked this food and entered it. So you will see I have entered that protein shake. It is now tracked. If you scroll down, hit nutrition, that will show you what your macronutrient calorie budget is for the day, and also show you that the foods that you have entered are subtracted from your overall macronutrient budget for the day. So I know many of you will ask, why didn't you just measure it in a cup, Byron? Key is we want to measure for accuracy in grams, ounces, or whatever the suggested nutrition label says, because by measuring a half a cup of oatmeal, we can eyeball that, but you may go over to 47 grams. Maybe it's 52 grams. Maybe if you fill that up, you can go over a whole lot more. So to set yourself up for success, accuracy, we want to measure to the gram, the ounce, or whatever it says on the back of the nutrition label for accuracy. So now we'll be instructing you how to measure properly to make sure that we get the right portion so things add up and you reach your macronutrient budget. So we're going to turn the scale on here. I have my bowl. You're going to hit the tare button to zero it out. A serving of oatmeal, if you look on the back of the nutrition label, is 40 grams. Use our measuring cup. We'll sprinkle in 40 grams of oatmeal. Here we go, coming. Right there, perfect. So by measuring properly, you will know exactly what you're consuming on a regular basis. That way there is no guessing and you can enter your macronutrients accordingly to reach your budget and your goals. So here are some of the tricks and tips that I use to make sure I stay on track. Number one, plan ahead. Always track and measure your food before you consume it. Make sure you enter it properly. Make sure that you also check the nutrition label with the app to make sure things are entered accordingly. One of the best things about MyFitnessPal is it has a huge database of foods that have been tracked. Be sure that you're checking that things are tracked accordingly and understand that once you track it once, your phone has a huge database of the foods that you've already entered. That way you can go back and look for those things accordingly. Overall, you are creating new habits and building a new lifestyle. Have some patience with yourself. These things will take time to get you accustomed to what you're doing. So be very, very patient. Track your macronutrients accordingly. Do your best to stay on track, regardless of your overall health and fitness goals, whether it's weight loss, being at maintenance, or in a gaining phase. Tracking is a way that you can have success, still live a certain lifestyle, not miss out on family events and outings, be social, and reach your desired goals. No more boring dieting for you. Please be sure to like, share, and tag others, and as well as hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for my next video while I teach you how to figure out your macronutrients.